my dessert. Independence Day is near and it calls for something sweet. And what's better than a Shahi Tukra made at home? So earlier this week I went to the store and my eyes caught this. I generally don't buy store-bought keys, but this grabbed my attention quick. Now there is no hard and fast rule to use such keys for your Shahi Tukra. You can use homemade keys as well, or if you are a lazy cat, custard works fine. But I'm using this. Firstly, I'm cutting up some milk breads diagonally because I love triangles. If you are in love with any other shapes, go ahead if you want to make a love triangle or a love square. Anyway, I added some ghee here. FYI, it's also called clarified butter. But you can use neutral oils as well, or butter works fine. Now toast your buns nice and crispy. Trust me, it tastes better that way. Hello darlings, it's been quite a time and we are back after eternity. And did you see my magic trick? Anyway, I've taken 500 milliliters of full fat milk and now I'll boil it good to reduce the amount. Now add some mix and let it sit. After you've got your desired consistency, turn the heat off and let it sit aside to cool. Meanwhile, chop some nuts for garnishing. I only have almonds with me, so yeah, I'm restricted, but you be creative. Pour all the deliciousness in there and garnish it well. And it's done. My stomach is growling, so I'll end the video here. If you guys like the video, do give it a thumbs up and do subscribe if you haven't done it yet. I'll see you next time. Till then, take care. Bye.